a tutorial to our clients on how to update their billing and manage their Twilio account, which is usually connected to their CRM or their website. We are Twilio partners, and we use them as a digital VoIP cloud communications. So normally, like you would just log in. Here goes a sample. Log in. Ooh, let me see what happened. Okay, so you would log in. I just logged in. Um, if it's your first time logging in, you have to input your code. I mean, you have to give them your phone number as a backup SMS. If you didn't receive that, please let us know so we can resend that to you. Okay. And this is a particular. This is an example. So you'd log in. It's probably gonna look different the first time you see it. If you come here, you can go to payment settings, and here you can add your payment method. If you want to connect it to PayPal, um, okay, auto recharge. This is like once it gets to like $10 or something, it will recharge. Okay. Um, so here again, you can see your billing, your payment history, your billing overview. Okay. And you're able to also listen to calls that have come through here. Go to monitor, call recordings. See your call log. Okay. Thank you.